In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to auto-reply to new Gmail messages with Zapier and Google AI Studio, Gemini. We're building a simple but powerful workflow. When a new email lands in Gmail, Zapier will send that message to Google AI Studio using the Gemini model to craft a professional reply. Then Gmail will send that response back to the original sender. By the end, you'll have an always-on assistant that answers emails for you. Start by creating a new Zap in Zapier. For the trigger, choose Gmail and select New Email as the event. Connect your Gmail account, then choose the mailbox or a specific label you want to monitor. Using a label is a great way to control what gets auto-replied. Think support or sales, so you don't respond to newsletters or internal messages by mistake. This trigger tells Zapier to wake up every time a new email matches your selection, which is what kicks off the automation. Next, add an action and choose Google AI Studio. Select the Gemini model and the option to send a prompt. Map the email content from the Gmail trigger into the prompt so the AI can read the incoming message. A clear instruction works best, such as, write a professional reply to this email. You can refine the tone, length, and goal here. Polite and concise is a good starting point. If needed, you can also pass the email subject or sender name for extra context, but avoid including any sensitive data that isn't necessary. Now add another action with Gmail and choose Send Email. Set the recipient to the original sender from the trigger data. Map the subject to include the original subject, typically prefixed with RE, and paste the Gemini response into the email body. If you use a standard signature, you can append it here, so every message stays on brand. At this point, the pipeline is complete. Trigger, generate, and send. Run a test. Zapier will pull a sample email from Gmail, send it to Google AI Studio, receive a drafted reply, and email it out automatically. Read the test response carefully to ensure the tone, accuracy, and formatting meet your expectations. If something feels off, tweak your prompt and retest. Finally, turn the Zap on. From now on, whenever a new email arrives in your chosen mailbox or label, the AI will generate a reply and Gmail will send it. No manual work required. This is especially useful for managing customer inquiries, allowing you to respond faster and handle higher volume while keeping your communication professional and consistent.